Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on LENOVO Tab P12. To find and manage sound settings, go to Settings app, then go to Sound, and now I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. So the first one is Media Volume. The first one is Mute. You can mute or unmute it, and when it's enabled, this mutes ring and notification volume. When it's enabled, you can also enable this switch next to media, so media will also be muted whenever mute mode is enabled. Here you can adjust sliders for different volumes: media volume, alarm volume, ring and notification volume, and when you adjust them you'll hear a preview of how loud or how quiet it is. Then you can go to Dolby Atmos and you can change the Dolby mode, and if you are connected to a different speaker, then you'll be able to enable or disable Dolby Atmos, because when you're using the tablet speaker, Dolby Atmos is always on. Then the next thing is Do Not Disturb. You can enable or disable it, so notifications will be muted. And you can set some interruptions for Do Not Disturb, for example, people who can interrupt it, or apps. You can also set a schedule and other general settings. The next thing is background sounds. You can enable it to play some sound in background like rain, wind, or other noises to help you focus. Then the next thing is media. You can enable or disable pin media player and show media recommendations. Then here is notification and alarm sound. You can change them to have a different sounds for incoming notifications or playing alarms. And the last thing is other sounds, and here you have 4 switches which you can set to on or off for screen locking sound, charging sounds, touch sounds, screenshot prompt sound. And that's all inside of these settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.